Hello, my name's Mark Huey at Level7chemical.com. I just wanted to invite you into the warehouse for a minute. Sometimes when you're looking for chemicals and ingredients, call the little guys at Level7chemical.com. Sometimes you'll find what you're looking for at a smaller company. When the big guys won't return your phone calls or they have just bad news every time they call, go to the website www.level7chemical.com. That's level7chemical.com. You might find what you're looking for. We'll try our best to source what you're looking for. We've got things like the Acropol, we've got citric acid, we still have some sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide. SLS powder. We have a good amount of SLS powder if you're looking to make hard surface cleaners or any other detergent, transportation cleaners. We specialize in many surfactants. DE powder. If you're having a hard time sourcing DE powder, give us a call or email us at help@level7chemical.com. That's help, HELP, at level7chemical.com. Looking for maybe a safety solvent like NMP, N-methyl-2-pyrrolidone, that's hard to find too. You know, when those big guys won't return your phone call, just call to tell you that they don't have any in stock, we might be able to source that for you. So go into our website, check it out. We have a contact us form, or you can email us at help@level7chemical. help@level7chemical.com. We'd love to be able to help you. We carry a lot of hard to find things. We carry citric acid, caustic soda, potassium hydroxide, caustic potash. We've been able to help a few customers source that. So just give us a call and let us know what you're looking for. Again, you can use the contact us, or you can just email us at help@level7chemical.com. We just got in a load of citric acid, a really good food grade citric acid. Just unloaded that a few days ago. Helped a few customers source citric acid. So give us a call. Go to our website, level7chemical.com. Email us at help@level7chemical.com. We'd love to help you. Sometimes the big guys aren't the answer. Maybe you've been using a supplier for years and years and years, and they dropped the ball and didn't let you know something was tight. We may not be able to be your primary supplier, but we may be able to get you through a tough time. So go to our website, level7chemical.com, or email us at help@level7chemical.com. We'd love to try to earn your business.